So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, this is Pragna Oshita studying Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. So, today I am going to discuss about logical equivalence of discrete mathematical structure. So, introduction to logical equivalence. Logical equivalence is a fundamental concept in discrete mathematics that plays a crucial role in understanding and manipulating logical statements, and it allows us to determine when two seemingly different logical expressions are actually equivalent, meaning they have the same truth value under all possible truth assignments for their variables. So, definitions and concepts. In the realm of logic, the concept of logical equivalence involves the idea of two statements are essentially interchanged. Well, because they hold the same truth value. It's like saying it's raining is equivalent to the sky is gray and wet. So we use symbols like equals to or to indicate logical equivalence. For example, P is logical equivalence to Q. Means the statement P is logical equivalent to statement Q. So truth value. The truth value of a statement is either true or false. So it's a fundamental concept in logic and it allows us to determine if a statement is accurate or not. So in logical statement, a logical statement is a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both. It's a fundamental building block of logic and it's used to express prepositions and reason about them. For example, all dogs are mammals is a logical statement and its truth value is true. So truth table. Truth tables are visual representations that display the truth values of logical statements for all possible combinations of truth values of the variables. So they provide a systematic way to determine if the two statements are logically equivalent by examining their truth values in every possible scenario. So for example, a truth value for P and Q shows that the statement is true only when both P and Q are true. So logical connectives and truth tables. Logical connectives are like it involves symbols like and, or, not, implies, and if. So first one is and. The and connective is true only when both its operands are true. For example, P and Q is true only if both P and Q are true. So or the or connective V is true if at least one of its operands is true. For example, P or Q is true if either P or Q or both are true. So not the not. The not connective negates the truth value of its operand. For example, not equals to P is true if P is false and vice versa. So the implies connective is false only if when the first operand is true and the second operand is false. In other words, P implies Q is true if P is false or if Q is true. So logical equivalence theorems. There are commutative laws, general laws such as commutative laws, associative laws, distributive laws, identity laws, and domination laws, adapted laws, negation laws, De Morgan's law, and conditional equivalence. So here, when P and Q is equal to Q and P in commutative law, and here P or Q is also equals to Q or P. So these are the general laws, which are basic laws, which involves the logical equivalence theorems. So proving logical equivalence. So proving logical equivalence involves demonstrating that two logical expressions have the same truth value under all possible truth assignments for the values. So in truth tables, we have to construct truth tables for both expressions and compare the truth values in every row. If the truth values are identical for all rows, then the expressions are logically equivalent. So logical equivalence theorems. You have to use a sequence of logical equivalence theorems to transfer one expression into another, ensuring each step preserves logical equivalence. And natural deduction. This method uses rules of interference to derive new statements from existing ones, with the goal of showing what the two expressions are derivable from each other. So simplifying logical expressions. So simplifying logical expressions involves using logical equivalence theorems to reduce the complexity of a given expression while preserving its truth value. So this process can be applied to logical statements with multiple connectives and variables, making them easier to understand and analyze. So first one is original expression. Consider the expression like not equals to P and Q is or operation between and P or Q not equals to Q. So this is a general expression. So after applying De Morgan's law, first you have to apply De Morgan's law for the first part, and then apply the De Morgan's law. Then you have to apply the associative law for the above expression, and then finally we'll get true. True is or not equals to Q. So then after negation law, we have to apply domination law. So in this way, we have to solve the original expression for finding the logical expressions. So applications of logical equivalence. Logical equivalence finds practical applications in various fields, including computer science, engineering, and philosophy. So it plays a crucial role in designing efficient computer circuits, analyzing software logic, and constructing sound arguments. So it is used in computer science. Here in computer science, logical equivalence is essential designing and analyzing digital circuits by simplifying the expressions, engineering can create more contact and efficient circuits, leading to faster and more reliable computers. So, in engineering, logical equivalence is used in software engineering to verify the correctness of software programs by demonstrating that different implementations of a function are logically equivalent. So, developers can ensure that the program behaves as expected. So in philosophical logic, logical equivalence play a critical role in evaluating the validity of arguments by demonstrating that true premises are logically equivalent to the conclusion and philosophy made argument is sound. So logical equivalence and Boolean algebra. So this involves Boolean variables, Boolean operators, Boolean expressions, and logical equivalence in Boolean algebra. So in Boolean variables, we represent logical values like true or false, and types such as p, q, r, etc. And Boolean operators are such as and, or, not, XOR, etc. are used to combine Boolean variables and form more complex expressions. They correspond to logical correctiveness. So third one is Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions are combinations of Boolean variables and operators. So they can represent logical statements and can be manipulated using Boolean algebra rules. So fourth one is logical equivalence in Boolean algebra. So logical equivalence in Boolean algebra is defined as two Boolean expressions having the same truth value for all possible truth assignments of their variables. So this concept is crucial for simplifying Boolean expressions and optimizing circuits. Logical equivalence in proofs and reasoning. So in logical proofs and reasoning, logical equivalence plays a central role in establishing the validity of arguments. So it allows us to replace statements with logically equivalent ones, ensuring that the truth value of argument is preserved. So first one is substitution rule. The substitution rule states that if two expressions are logically equivalent, we can replace one with the other in any logical statement without affecting its truth value. Second one is modus ponens. This rule of interference states that if a statement P is true and the implication, that is P implies Q, is true, then the statement Q is also true. This rule relies on the equivalence of P implies Q with not equals to P or Q. So modus tolerance. This rule states that if the implication P implies Q is true and the statement Q is false, then the statement P is also false. This rule relies on the equivalence of P implies Q with not equals to P or Q. So, importance of logical equivalence in discrete mathematics. Logical equivalence is a cornerstone of discrete mathematics, serving as a foundation for various areas of study, including set theory, graph theory, and computer science. So, it enables us to reason about the logical statements, simplify complex expressions, and solve problems related to logical reasoning. So, circuit diagram is logical equivalence is a crucial in designing digital circuits where Boolean expressions represents the behavior of gates. Simplifying these expressions using logical equivalence theorems leads to more efficient and compact circuits. So, in second one is software engineering. In software development, logical equivalence is used to verify the correctness of code, ensuring that different implementations of a function have the same logical behavior. So, in next one is third one is artificial intelligence. Logical equivalence plays a role in artificial intelligence, where reasoning engines and knowledge representation systems rely on the manipulation of logical expressions to solve problems and make decisions. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.